Model number U52MK5WH4 52 suspended Harbour breeze. Need replacement glass shades, what will work?
How long have you had your U52MK5WH4?
13 years.
What have you tried so far?
Nothing.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No.
Hello, my name is. I'll be helping with your question today. I am sorry to hear that you are having trouble with your ceiling fan/light, and understand your frustration. I am sure we can find the answer you need in short order. Please give me a few moments to review/research your question, and I will get back to you shortly. In the meantime, you may reply to me at any time if you think of any additional details/description that may be helpful. For example, brand and model information, photos, sketches, etc. Anything that will help me understand what you have going on. You will see a pop-up for an offer to call me. This is optional and usually not necessary.
Is anyone going to help me, or is this a scam?
My sincere apologies, been a hectic day. See attached and let me know if this is your fan. Not having much luck with U52MK5WH4.
Customer attachment January 31, 2021 1:21 and 10 seconds AM.
Hello, I see why I cannot find anything on this fan/light. The date code is July 2004 to 16 plus years old. My advice is to replace it with a new unit. Smile.
They are 13 years old. They run perfectly. I'm just looking for a replacement globe that will work. No need to replace. Just need a globe with the right size hole and nut with same thread.
Okay, I will give you a few sites that you can look for a globe. I will be back shortly. Try these sites. Click below https://www.amazon.com/s. K equals Harbour plus breeze plus shades and %3 tag equals cfman20 https://www.hansonwholesale.com/ceiling fans/accessories/glass shades https://www.lightingdirect.com/ceiling fan shades/C198 R equals 48 and S equals score and P equals 1 and category it equals 198. Good luck. Smile.
Thanks.
You are welcome and happy to help. If you ever need assistance with another electrical question, please let me know. You can favorite me as a preferred expert for easy access and answers to your new questions, or just let me know by starting your electrical question with "for customer only," that way other experts will leave it alone and we can connect. Or click here, Spark Shark. Please remember to click a rating for our Q&A session at the top or bottom of your screen on the app or website. No need to reply.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.